So I think it's time for a long overdue life update. I have dyed my hair since my last video and it did not go as planned. So I was going for a peachy blonde or maybe a strawberry blonde, and I diluted. Anyway, it doesn't matter because I did it wrong. I don't know what I did wrong. It's a case in point situation in which not doing your research will not get you the outcome that you want. And you know, I rock the hair, but you know what, let me just show you. So as you can see, it is somewhere in between a stop sign and a traffic cone. I washed it every single day for like 2 weeks to try to get some of the loud color out because, oh my gosh, it was way too loud for me. I did the video content for it, but I never did put the video together or like post it. I just never found the energy. This is how it's fading so far. Gosh, when did I do that? Take two. The last time I did my hair was March the 1st. You know, I started thinking about the direction. Like, if I did decide to keep vlogging, you know, if I only did hair videos, I would have turnover like once every 2 or 3 months on videos. And if I'm gonna vlog, I don't want, you know, that frequency to be so low. So, and another point is, since people are getting vaccinated and stuff, I'm going to start traveling for work again later this year. I've decided that I don't want to do super unconventional colors like blue and green, just for professional reasons, which to each his own. So that's also another reason why I'm trying to decide what direction I want to take the channel. So I think it's just gonna be a Mod Podge of a whole bunch of stuff, just maybe life updates and like stuff I cook or stuff that I like to do. So to start that off, I'm just gonna introduce myself for the first time in like 3 or 4 videos, 5 videos, I don't even know. So my name is Marie. I live in Alabama, where you basically just get to drink your air because it's so humid. And there are a lot of bugs and mosquitoes and sun. And I work from home, so I see these 4 walls pretty much every day, 8 to 5. And I recently went through a pretty traumatic experience. All the hobbies that I used to have, grief is a weird thing. It's like, I love to read, I love to cook. You know, I've got my list down here. I used to be like a moderate gamer. You know, all of that kind of fell by the wayside when I was going through that experience. And pre-grief, like when you know something bad is gonna happen, you keep yourself busy doing all of those things, trying to grasp onto whatever happiness you can while you can. And then when grief really sets in, none of that stuff is interesting to you anymore. So I'm hoping that vlogging will help hold me accountable to try to get back to normal life and try to get back into things that I used to love, or maybe even find new things that I used to not love, and you know, just try to get past it. And the one thing that I have been consistent with is my fitness journey. It's been going on since November, off and on, and then consistently starting in February, I and my boyfriend, Christopher, started going to a local gym. I started doing this, it's a low calorie diet, but it's not super calorie restrictive, but it's high protein to help, you know, muscles synthesis. I don't know a whole lot about it. Christopher is my mentor, my inspiration, and all of the above when it comes to fitness. It's still a huge journey. I don't know a lot about it. I'm hoping that maybe in the future I will be able to speak more about it. Christopher and I are trying to get back into running because we used to love running. It's another hobby that maybe I don't know if do you consider running a hobby? But anyway, trying to get back into running, you know, trying to keep my head up. I will have an occasional hair dyeing video, I am sure, but I am so sorry if you subscribe to this channel expecting only hair dye videos. That was my intention at first, but, you know, to hold myself accountable to all the things that I want to hold myself accountable for, I need more frequent videos, so I will see you soon.